Hi, today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your business that uses FBA on Amazon, and that is running out of inventory. Did you know that a staggering 50% of Amazon FBA sellers will run out of inventory at least once a year? That's a stat that you don't want to be a part of. So running out of inventory on Amazon FBA, it can have actually serious implications for your brand. And it's not just about being temporarily out of stock. It can also result in obviously losing sales. That's the most obvious, but it can also hurt your seller rank. And also it can really frustrate your customers that are on that sales platform of Amazon that are looking to buy from your brand. And as the CEO or the CMO for your company, you know that lost sales on one channel can really impact your business in other areas as well. So why does running out of inventory happen in the first place? Well, there can be a lot of reasons. It can be due to really underestimating the demand on Amazon. It could be you're facing logistical issues that don't even necessarily have to do with Amazon, but it's getting things into there. You could also be dealing with unexpected production delays that really are impacting a lot of areas of your business. So those factors can quickly turn into a bad scenario for your business. And on Amazon, it has kind of deeper implications as well. There are some strategies to prevent inventory shortages you can use to really make sure that you're looking at your inventory management if you use a software, or our preferred method, to be quite honest, is a honed in Excel file that's really tracking all the moving parts, looking at things like lead time, shipping times, delivery estimates, and accounting also for your Amazon allowed storage space that you have to maximize your use of the space on Amazon's warehouse. Also balancing that with minimizing your FBA fees. And if you didn't get a chance to watch the video where I explain the new fees for this year on Amazon, some of them do relate to how much inventory you're keeping on at Amazon, and you can watch the first part of that video here because there's actually now fees even for sending and not having enough inventory there. Now, accurately also doing your forecasting demand, that's important. And you also want to maintain really a buffer stock for any kind of sales days that you might have coming up, and to really stay ahead of the game and avoid that dreaded out of stock label on your products. It's currently not available. People go to buy it and then they can't. And if you've ever experienced running out of inventory on Amazon, I'd love to hear your tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on optimizing your business while using the Amazon sales channel. So the key to success on Amazon FBA, it really lies in effective inventory management. Now, you have to stay proactive and implementing these preventative measures that can really help to ensure that there's a smooth operation, and it'll keep the shoppers that are on Amazon coming back for more, which is especially important if you're like the brands that we work with, because usually there's a consumable element to their product line. So if that's you, especially want to keep it in stock because you have people that are even subscribing on Amazon. Now, because of the new fees, like I said earlier, you actually don't want your inventory levels to dip too low, or there are now fees associated with that. So you want to also not keep excessive inventory because of your space limitations, and also the fees that come with, having too much inventory at Amazon. You're basically paying to store there. Now, another reason that you'll want to avoid running out of stock on Amazon is because the organic search ranking that you've gained with your listing will be impacted when you run out. This will then take some time to regain where you appear on searches organically without paid searches. So when customers are typing in keywords in Amazon search bar, they are ready to buy and they're going to see results. You may have even got a really high spot, like the top 3 spot for a specific non-brand keyword. And by running out of stock, obviously when you're out of stock, you're not going to show up anymore because you're not converting. Then even when you do get back in stock, it's going to take you some time because you've lost some of that track and that ranking that you had previously, and you're going to have to get it back, and that is going to take some time. Now, if you want to learn more about organic search, I think you'll find this video helpful here if you want to learn more about that. So let's talk about managing inventory effectively on Amazon FBA. This is really crucial for the success of your business. Now, by understanding the reasons behind inventory shortages and then taking proactive steps to prevent them, you can really help set yourself up for long-term growth and profitability to your bottom line by reducing unnecessary fees that I talked about, and also making sure that your brand is getting the visibility that you need. And if you want to find more ways to get visibility on Amazon, you'll find this next video on strategies for driving growth using Amazon ads very helpful.